In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Autosum in Smartsheet. Whether you're a seasoned Smartsheet user or just getting started, this is a fundamental skill that will make your data management much more efficient. To begin, we need to select the cell where we'd like our total to appear. This is a crucial first step because it sets the stage for displaying your results. Think about this choice carefully. For instance, if you're summing up costs, you might want the total to be in the last row of your cost column. This logical placement ensures your data remains organized and easy to interpret. Once you've picked your destination cell, it's time to start crafting your formula. Begin by typing an equals sign. This is the universal signal to Smartsheet that you're about to enter a formula. After this, you should type sum followed by an open parenthesis. You'll notice that Smartsheet comes to your aid, promptly suggesting the sum function. This user-friendly feature helps streamline the process and minimizes the chance for errors. The next step involves selecting the range of cells you want to add together. You can do this by simply clicking and dragging over the desired cells. For instance, if you want to sum up cells from cost 1 through cost 5, click on the first cell, hold down your mouse button, and drag across to the last cell in the range. This visual selection provides a clear indication of which numbers are being calculated. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can type the range manually. This might be a better option if you're comfortable with specifying cell ranges or if the desired cells aren't contiguous. To do this, use a colon to indicate the range, like this. Cost 1. Cost 5. It's a neat, succinct way to ensure that Smartsheet knows exactly which cells you intend to sum. It's crucial to remember to close your formula with a closing parenthesis. This signals to Smartsheet that your formula is complete and ready for execution. Once you're confident that everything looks good, simply press Enter. In an instant, Smartsheet calculates and displays the sum in the designated cell. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the Autosum feature in Smartsheet. This simple yet powerful tool can vastly improve how you manage your spreadsheets, making it easier to keep track of totals and get insights from your data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps to become even more proficient in using Smartsheet efficiently.